Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Deepfake detection is a challenging task that involves identifying manipulated videos or images created using deep learning techniques. In this tutorial, we will explore a sample source code in Python for detecting deepfake videos. One popular approach for deepfake detection is to use facial recognition and analysis techniques to identify inconsistencies in the manipulated videos. Here is a basic outline of the steps involved in deepfake detection. 1. Extract frames from the video. 2. Detect faces in each frame. 3. Extract facial features from each face. 4. Compare the facial features across frames to detect inconsistencies. For this tutorial, we will use the opencv library for video processing and the dlib library for face detection and facial landmark detection. Here is an example Python code snippet for deepfake detection using opencv and dlib. In the code snippet above, we use the detect_deepfake function to process a video file frame by frame. We use dlib's face detector to detect faces in each frame and the shape predictor to extract facial landmarks. You can further analyze the facial landmarks to detect inconsistencies that may indicate a deepfake. Please note that deepfake detection is a complex and evolving field, and this code snippet provides just a basic starting point. Additional techniques, such as deep learning models, can be incorporated for more accurate deepfake detection. Remember to install the necessary libraries, opencv and dlib, before running the code. You may also need to download the pre-trained shape predictor file, shape_predictor_68_face_landmarks.dat, for facial landmark detection. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with deepfake detection in Python. Let me know if you have any questions or need further assistance.